Hi, my Rocky Mountain friends. Here is your gold leaf repair. So you gently want to put a thin coat of size out of the bottle onto the scratches. Let it dry for 24 hours, and you want to take your knuckle and wipe it across there. It should be just almost feel like it's dry and have a little bit of a squeak. Then we'll open our book of gold leaf, and just gotta be gentle with it. And you can just slide it onto the repair area, and then you press it down with the brush and gently brush it off. And then you can use a wet cotton ball just to get rid of all the little flakes and stuff. If you have to, you can repeat the process to build up the gold leaf. Have fun and good luck with your project. Call me if you have any questions.